knocked on the door now to say, hey, let me out. I want to be with you. Yes, you do. So, this is so good. It's going to make me feel so great. He's going to scratch your hands. Yes, you are. Chance, my naughty Chance, my naughty Chance, you're a puppy, Chance, my boy, you're my beautiful boy. Come on, we've only got a few hairs growing back, we need lots of hairs growing back, don't we? Be nice, Blinky. You're a good boy. Don't worry, everybody's neutered here. Doing that is very much a thing of dominance. I'm the boss. Chance is going to join in. Have to go. Baby's playing on my feet and squishing me. Hello, little Bambi, 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 Bambi. An ocean, beautiful ocean. Wow, you've made such progress, my boy.